everyone. So, if you are a millennial, can you actually relate to the kind of stuff that was shown in movies back in the 90s? I cannot. Today, if I pick up most of the movies of 90s, which I have binged watched while I was growing up, I tend to find so many problematic things in them, especially with the portrayal of women and members of the LGBT community. Now, obviously, I do not mean them for all the movies, but then many movies were like that. So, obviously, the movies which spoke about gender equality and which did not ridicule women, which did not objectify them, or which did not have sleazy, cheap item numbers in them, those movies still managed to stand out. Today, particularly, I'm going to be discussing a favorite, and this is not a movie review, this is simply a discussion and appreciation of the movie Dil Chahta Hai. Dil Chahta Hai was released back in 2001. It was the directorial debut of Farhan Akhtar, supremely multi-talented, one of the best progressive directors that we have in the country, along with his sister Zoya Akhtar, who is another favorite of mine. Now, Farhan has been a part of some brilliant movies in the past 2 decades, including Dil Chahta Hai, Lakshya, Dawn with Shah Rukh and Preeti, then Dawn Part 2. He has also written or co-written dialogues for Rock On, Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, Dil Dhadakne Do, and Talash. Now, in all of these movies, you get to see very strong female characters with well fleshed out character arcs, some great dialogues, and overall very substantial and meaty roles. There's never any cringe-worthy, misogynistic humor in his movies. We get to see both the strong and vulnerable sides of the women, and any kind of unfair behavior towards the female characters is called out. For these reasons and many more, Dil Chahta Hai has managed to retain its relevance over the years. It is a coming-of-age story of 3 friends, Akash, Sameer and Sid, portrayed by Aamir, Saif and Akshay Khanna respectively. The movie follows their growth in their personal as well as professional lives before, during and after a fallout between 2 friends, Akash and Sid. Now, all of them are very different from each other when it comes to their nature. Akash is very carefree, is into flings, does not believe that love exists. He believes that under the garb of love, people just tend to control each other. Sameer, on the other hand, wears his heart on his sleeve, falls for every second girl, doesn't really know what love is, but is not actually bad at heart. Sid, on the other hand, is quite shy compared to the other 2. He's into painting and is quite the gentleman. Now, because all 3 of them are very different from each other, they also tend to think very differently about each other's choices. So sometimes it's all harmless and they're making fun of each other. But things turn serious when Akash makes a comment on Sid's personal life, which he's not able to take because it involves a love interest. Following the comment, both of them have a fallout and do not speak to each other for a very long time, during which life moves ahead for Akash, Sid and Sameer. Eventually, towards the end, all 3 of them get back together. If we talk about the portrayal of male friendships in Bollywood, Dil Chahta Hai is a cult classic. It shows how good, solid friendships withstand the test of time, how with time, friends, even after fallouts, can introspect and realize what they did wrong, eventually own up, apologize, and make up. It also comments on how innocent and fragile love can be, how it can mean different things to different people, how people can have different perceptions of each other, and doesn't show any kind of skepticism and only shows you the good side of people. There are beautiful, tender moments between the 3 friends. Saif in particular is like a breath of fresh air, so different from the other roles that you've seen him in. It's actually hard for me to believe that this movie came out 23 years ago. Even today, if you're going to sit down and watch it, you're not actually going to feel that any frame looks outdated. Everything looks so well put together, even today. That says a lot about Farhan as a writer and as a filmmaker. Aamir is at his finest. So is Akshay Khanna. Twinkle Khanna looks beautiful as always. And Preeti is a delight to watch. Very different character from the usual bubbly ones that she used to play once upon a time before she actually started taking up serious roles. I actually thought that Farhan probably had a great time directing her. That's why he decided to cast her in his next Lakshya in the role of a journalist, which was so different from her character Shalini in this movie. If you haven't watched Dil Chahta Hai already, then please go and watch it. It is there on Netflix. Even if you are a Gen Z, I promise you will have a great time.